Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a wash day on my hair, and as you can see I cut my hair like a month ago. It was like a month ago, and before the video started I just wanna give you guys a little info about my hair and why I cut it. So this is my hair before I cut it, and the reason why I wanted to cut it was because I wanted to go fully natural even though I was transitioning and my hair was uneven. So the front middle part of my hair was like long and full, and the back was short and little. So I just cut the middle long part of my hair off to match it with the back of my hair. So this is the day that I cut my hair, and this is the side-by-side view. This is all the hair that I cut off on my hair. So this is what my hair looks like now, and I actually cut my hair shorter after I first cut it because I feel like it wasn't like even enough. Yeah, that's the main reason why I cut it. So I'm gonna be using Dark and Lovely All Natural hair product. I got the shampoo, the Not Out conditioner, and the curl defining cream glaze, and the cleansing conditioner, and I got this at my local beauty supply store. But today I'm just gonna use the curl defining cream, the Not Out conditioner, and the shampoo. So I'm gonna start by combing or wetting my hair and then combing it out. I always do this before I put shampoo in. Disclaimer, this is not a natural hair channel. I might do hair videos once in a while, but I just do like all kinds of videos on here. So I'm gonna start by using the hydrating soak shampoo, and I'm gonna massage it into my hair. So I do like this shampoo, and I was surprised to see how curly my hair looked. Like, I never seen my hair this curly before. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good shampoo. I'm using it for the first time. So this is like the second round of me putting the shampoo in my hair, and this is what it looks like. My hair looked so curly. So now I'm using the Not Out conditioner, and it's a pretty thick and creamy conditioner. Just gonna massage it into my hair. I was just following the instructions on the bottle. So after that, I let the conditioner sit in my hair for 15 minutes, and then I washed it out. After I dried my hair, this is what my hair looks like, and now I'm gonna use the curl defining cream glaze, and I just put it in my hair as if it was a conditioner, like a leave-in conditioner, because I don't have one at the moment. By the way, I'm just doing what works for me. I'm not copying anybody or anything, I'm just doing what works for me. So now I'm gonna use this wild growth oil and I'm gonna put it in my hair. I didn't feel like parting my hair because I can't really part it, but I just put it on my scalp and moved it around. So now I'm using this softy olive oil hair grease. I think that's what it's called. And I'm gonna use a little bit and apply it to my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment and share this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I will see you guys in my next video.